him stumbling down that gravel lane. Same old story playing out again. Bottle in his hand, fire in his eyes. Another Friday night, another round of lies. Oh, he's running from something. Can't nobody say what, but I know that love, yeah, yeah. I've been there before. He's on the wrong side, running from the pain that keeps on coming. Every road he takes just leads him back to the same old broken track. Wrong side running, wrong side running. La la la. His daddy left when he was barely 10. Now he's pushing 30, acting like he's him. Drinking away the hurt that won't let go, taking it out on everyone he knows. He's running from something. Can't nobody say what, but I know that hurt, yeah, yeah. I've seen it tear folks apart. He's on the wrong side, running from the pain that keeps on coming. Every road he takes just leads him back to the same old broken track. Wrong side running, wrong side running. La, la. Maybe one day he'll turn around, face that monster, stand his ground. Till then I watch him chase his tail down another dead-end trail. He's on the wrong side, running from the pain that keeps on coming. Every road he takes just leads him back to the same old broken track. Wrong side running, wrong side running. Wrong side running. La, la, la. Wrong side running.
Cruising down this dusty lane, radio low, windows down. Something about the way you said my name before you packed and left this town. Oh, what I wouldn't give to take it all back now. But here I sit, wondering how. I'm right now, bragging these back roads and bars, chasing what we used to be. Can't outrun these battle scars you left carved inside of me. La la la. Oh, these back roads and bars, they know my heart. Bartender knows my usual drink. Bourbon no need to ask. Funny how you learn to think when all you got is time to last. Oh, what I wouldn't give to change what went wrong. But here I sit, singing this song, yeah. Right in these back roads and bars, chasing what we used to be. Can't outrun these battle scars you left carved inside of me. La la la. Oh, these back roads and bars, they know my heart. Miles of gravel, shots of pain, every turn reminds me still. Maybe I'm just going insane, thinking you might love me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. what we used to be. Can't outrun these battle scars you left carved inside of me. La la la. Oh, these back roads and bars. They know these back roads and bars. They know my heart. Cruising down this dusty lane, nothing left but me and pain. You tell me that you're happy in that big old city scene, but your voice cracks when you're talking about your painted up routine. I see through all the makeup and the fancy dress you wear, 'cause I remember when you used to run your fingers through my hair. Back when dirt roads were our highway and the stars lit up all nights, before you traded muddy boots for those big city lights. Now you're calling me at midnight when your world starts breaking down, saying you miss the simple life back in our little town. But every word you're speaking has a bitter kind of sting, 'cause you left me here with nothing but this worn out wedding ring. What? Why you keep on running when your heart knows where it's home? Why you chasing after something when you're better off alone? Better off alone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me why. Tell me why. Your mama called me yesterday, she's worried about your health. She said you ain't been eating and you're talking to yourself. I drive by your old house sometimes when I'm missing what we had. See your daddy on the front porch looking lonely, looking sad. He asked about you every time, but I don't know what your eyes. I can see right through your happiness, I know it's all disguise. So when you're feeling empty and that void inside won't heal, remember what we used to have was something strong and real. Why you keep on running when your heart knows where it's home? Why you chasing after something when you're better off alone? Better off alone. Every gravel road we walk together, every promise that we made, feels like ancient history now in this mess that we both played. But I'm still here waiting for you, though my patience wearing thin. If you ever find your way back, I might let you in again. Why you keep on running when your heart knows where it's on? Why you chasing after something when you're better off alone? Come back home. From the bottom, mud on my boots. Got these backwoods plans, ain't wearing no suits. Grandmama's porch where I learned to scheme. Cornfield hustle mixed with rap machine. Spitting bars faster than a pickup truck. When the bank says no, make your own look. Sweet tea sipping while I count my stacks. Country boy flow with that beat on tracks. I got dirt road schemes, cash crop dreams, making moves through the hollers and streams. Electric harmonica cutting through the night. Country rap king with that appetite. Dirt road schemes ain't what they seem. Small town player with a master plan theme. Neighbors talking about how I switched my style, but I've been mixing genres since I was a child. Church on Sunday, studio Monday night. Preacher says pray, but I hustle for my life. Got my crew from the holler, we ride or die, selling beats at the county fair, reaching sky high. Mama proud when she hears my name on the radio. From tobacco fields to that microphone flow. I got dirt road schemes, cash crop dreams, making moves through the hollers and streams. Electric harmonica cutting through the night. Country rap king with that appetite. Dirt road schemes ain't what they seem. Small town player with a master plan thing. They said I couldn't blend the old and new, but I proved them wrong with what I can do. Fiddle meets the bass, tradition meets the street. Country boy swagger with that rapid fire beat. Now I'm buying back the land they took from my kin. Every rhyme's a revolution, every verse a win. Electric harmonica screaming my success. From sharecropper son to this musical blessed. Interstate dreams, but my roots run deep. Promise to my people that I'm always gonna keep. Dirt road millionaire, a message to send. Country rap pioneer till the very end. I got dirt road schemes, cash crop dreams, making moves through the hollers and streams. Electric harmonica cutting through the night. Country rap king with that appetite. Dirt road schemes ain't what they seem. Small town player with a master plan thing. Dirt road schemes, yeah, that's my way. Country rap fusion every single day.